breaking down and that's alright. I got a little bit of money to make me fight, and I'm fine. Trust me, I'm fine.
Hey guys, today we are going to the biggest IKEA in the whole world. You have no idea how excited I am. I'm gonna go with my mom and my brother, and they're also very excited because the last time we've been to an IKEA store was back when we lived in Singapore last 2013 to 2014-ish. We were always at IKEA in Singapore, and that's why we're very excited today because we missed it so much. We missed the food and the shopping. We better get our wallets ready for this. Anyway, I'm currently getting ready right now. I think this is gonna be my outfit for today. It's very comfy and it's actually my mom's. I think I'm not gonna wear any makeup na kasi naka-face mask naman ako all throughout our trip to IKEA. So yeah, I'll update you guys once we're there. We're gonna head out in a bit, so see you later.
Having mental breaks along with breakdowns ever since that day that you went and told me how it's just another game. How are you so cynical? I didn't know that you were just like them. When I look around me, everything is all the same.
Lining up at More, Joe. And then one pasta with platinum.
I won't never let this go. Wait until the final show where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. I'll need another wake up call or something that'll keep me moving on.
Yours is plant-based. Meron ako. Clean it first.
Alam ko yan. Naalala mo yung sa startup. Pero hindi lang IKEA meron yun eh. Wow. Ah, gusto ko yan. Try mo nga. Lower. Wow.
Hey guys, so if you've been to an IKEA before, you'd know that they have an organized pathway that you have to follow. So first you go into the showrooms and then you pass by the areas where you can finally shop and get the items you've seen from these showrooms. You'll see it later in the video. We truly enjoyed our trip here because of how big it is. Like guys, our booking was scheduled at 3 p.m. and we left IKEA at around 8:30 p.m. Can you believe that we walked and walked for almost 6 hours? But it was definitely worth it. Overall, it was a very fun experience.
Just be gone. Don't need another wake-up call or something that'll keep me moving on.
So if you're gonna visit IKEA, you'd have to book since they're controlling the amount of people that goes inside the store because of course we're still in a pandemic. So you have to book online. I suggest that you book during weekdays para konti lang yung tao. We actually went here on a Monday and as you can see, it was kinda crowded already because it was an afternoon. So I suggest that you book early in the morning maybe so that you can have a better experience. We parked at the IKEA building and if you're gonna park there, you better arrive early because you're gonna have to walk a lot before you reach the IKEA entrance because you're gonna pass by a mall first. But you can also park at the MOA South parking. I think if you park there, you're just gonna have to pass by the bridge. I'm not entirely sure, but you can read it all on the IKEA website or you can just search it up on Google. This part, which is the planning studio, really intrigued me because as a design student, everything in what I do revolves around planning. Interior design revolves around planning. Everything starts with how you plan the interior of a space. So this was very refreshing to see. And here I am just looking at some door swatches or textures. I'm not sure if I'm using the right terms, but you get what I mean.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I found some drafting tables. Well, my mom did, but... Oh my gosh, this chair is the chair of my dreams. Oh, I know, kakabili ko lang ng bago from Shopee, but this, oh my gosh, nagtatemp ako. Should I get it? I'm gonna get this. Pero meron na kata. Maganda yung kulay niya. Matibay na. Hindi kaya mag-ganyan. Ano lang, nakagano lang?
Pero mahaba naman din sa... Pero pwede nang...
Hindi yan na sa'yo.
Nakita sa market sa IKEA.
Hindi yan na sa'yo. Basta iikot din yung sa'yo. Hindi. Hindi yan na sa'yo. Yan na yung sa'yo. Akin na lang yung sa'yo.
Actually, mas flexible pa.
Mas flexible yan.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive.
We took some photos here. Of course, gonna take photos of our outfits, so I'm so happy with the result that I'm gonna show you guys later.
I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow.
4. Sabihin ko kayo 40 pesos. Okay naman, bakit kayo ng blue? Isa lang. Ito mo. This battery operated.
In case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, get there. I